Hey there, green thumbs! Welcome back to the Crafty Blast. Is your garden looking dull, dry, or lifeless? Don't worry. In just 7 days, you can completely transform it. Not with expensive landscaping or fancy equipment, but with 7 simple tools that every gardener should have. Stay with me till the end, because hack number 7 is what most professionals swear by, and it can change your gardening forever. Day 1. The foundation, spade, and rack. First things first, grab a spade and a rake. Your spade will help you dig deep, loosen compact soil, and prepare the ground. Then use your rake to even it out, because a smooth base means healthier roots. Day 2. Cutting and cleaning, pruning shears. Next, it's time for pruning. Dead branches and wilted leaves drain nutrients from your plants. Use a sharp pair of pruning shears to remove the old, so the new can thrive. Day 3. Feeding the soil, hand trowel and compost fork. Healthy plants start with healthy soil. Use a hand trowel to mix compost into the ground, and a compost fork to aerate. Just a few days, you'll notice the soil getting softer, darker, and richer. Day 4. Watering right, adjustable hose and watering can. Overwatering is the silent killer of home gardens. Use an adjustable hose nozzle for larger areas and a watering can for delicate plants. The goal isn't to flood, it's to hydrate evenly. Day 5. Protect and maintain, garden gloves and kneeling pad. Gardening isn't just about plants, it's about you. Invest in durable gloves and a soft kneeling pad, because comfort means consistency, and consistency means growth. 6. The detail work, weeder and sprayer. Day 6 is all about details. Use a weeder to remove stubborn weeds from roots. No chemicals needed. Use a hand sprayer for organic pest control or nutrient sprays. Day 7. The magic touch, garden tool organizer. Finally, the secret to a beautiful garden is order. Use a tool organizer or wall rack to keep everything in one place. When your tools are ready, your garden is too. In just 7 days, with 10 simple tools, your garden can go from chaos to calm, from weeds to wonder. Transformation doesn't start with a plant, it starts with you. If you love simple, powerful gardening tips like this, hit that like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Let's grow together, one garden at a time.